Keep cool, even when things get hot outside. Your Chevrolet certified service experts can help keep your vehicle's air conditioning running smoothly. Everything from an annual inspection or performance check to diagnosis and replacement of system components can be completed by our certified service expert technicians. Regular maintenance can help with your vehicle's cooling efficiency and identify possible refrigerant leaks. Your vehicle may need to be checked for additional things like refrigerant level, blower fan operation, loose or aging belts and hoses, and possible faulty switches, fuses, or wiring. Feel comfortable knowing your air conditioning system has been checked by our certified service experts. Call or click to schedule your appointment today.